Hey guys, hi, welcome to our new blog. So today I have bringing you Ambrane, uh, Type C to Type C cable. This actually comes with warranty of 180 days basically, and it's a cable. Basically, you would need Type C at both the ends to let this work. So comes with the MRP of 499 and has different details with regards to what is the cable length. It is around 1.5 meter, 52 grams, quite lightweight, and I have got in black color. Okay, so let's unbox this. This is sealed. I have just ordered it, got it from Blinkit today itself. Okay guys, so just opening it now. Okay, so this is how you open this. Let's see what's in the box. So this is a braided cable. What else do we get here in the box? Let's see. Okay, so that's it. So there is one. This is for review. Basically, you scan and review or give any advice. Okay, so guys, this is how it looks. Type C to Type C. Okay, the quality looks okay. And as I said, I will show you. Open this and show you. Hold on. So here you go. Okay, so this is 1.5 meter. Okay, trust me guys, the quality is very good. This is really thick. You can buy this. It comes for 499 as an MRP. I got this from Blinkit for only I guess 149 or something. And Type C to Type C, the quality is amazing, trust me.